Good morning mga bossing. Ngayon ay 8, alas 8 ng umaga. Ngayon ay nag-start na ako maglinis dito sa loob. Kasi mag deep cleaning. So natapos ko na yung mga washroom. So dito na ako mga bossing, mag-sweep. Mag-sweep na ako dito. Pambihirang Peter, iniwan yung garbage bin dito. Marunong magkuha pero hindi marunong magbalik. Dito kasi ako mga bossing nasa sa camp. So ayan, dito tayo walis mga bossing. Dito ilagay ko muna dito yung camera.
I think good. You did it before. You did it last time, right?
Yeah, I always sweep. Yeah, I'm not Amir. No, that's the last one.
Maybe you are there.
No.
That's the bin is still good.
Still good?
Yeah, it's still
Okay.
very good. Even next week too.
By the way guys, this is my co-worker Peter.
This is me, Peter John. I'm lead hand for John.
Wait.
You put it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is me, Peter John. I work together with John. John is the best worker in this camp.
Wow.
We really appreciate him for the job he's doing.
Thank you, Peter.
Yeah, give me 5.
Thank you for that,
You
Peter.
did well.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry.
Chris, do you have some garbage there?
That's the last one, Peter.
Oh, okay.
Say hi. Thank you. So yun mga busing yung kasama ko dito sa camp. Ayan. Yung huli kanina is si Chris. Tapos si Peter naman yung yung kanina yung maitim. Si Peter yun mga bossing. So dito muna tayo magwalis-walis. Ganyan. Ayan. What are you going to go outside?
She said 10 o'clock. Yeah.
No rush.
You did most of the work.
Take a gym, Marvin,
Where is Emma?
and gym.
So cleaning gym?
I don't know. She's in there. So yun mga bossing, salamat sa panonood at suporta. Sana hindi kayo magsawa sa akin. Babos, ingat lagi.